Hi, Paul Golden Gate Enterprises. We're here at another waterproof deck project, and what we've got going here is we had to remove the whole roof here. This has to be re-subfloored. If you look closely, hey Alex, can you point to the blocks right there? You can see the blocking. There we go, that we put in all along the side. That is 4 by 6 blocking, and we're putting all that in with engineered screws and A35 clips, and then that perimeter will become the structural connection for the railing system, so we can lag down either from the fascia or from the top, and that's a frequent missing component. People that do these things and then go afterwards, oh geez, how are we going to connect the railing? So anyway, all of that is done in here, and we'll keep you posted. And so once this is subfloored, then this will all have to be joisted with sleepers to create a slope. And in this case, we have opted to slope everything to the front edge, and we're going to drain everything to a gutter on the front side there. That aesthetically will work out best. Now, this is a very long run, and I want to make a commentary on this here. This is about, I don't know, 10, 20, close to 28 feet, something like that. And we're going to have about a 6 or 7 inch differential. So it'll be 7 inches higher in the back from the front. And remember, that's a big difference in height, but it's over the 25 or 30 feet. And the thing that keeps it, what's the word, usable and really kind of masks it from people is the railing we put in is actually kept plumb and level, and so your eye sees a complete straight railing system and you don't see the slope. So anyway, that's a quick update. Paul Golden Gate Enterprises, and this is, by the way, a nice waterproof deck. As you can see, the views of the San Francisco Bay. There's the city over there, there's the Bay Bridge, and we're up here actually in the Oakland Hills. This is a complete interior remodel here we're in the midst of. This is all everything, brand new plumbing, electrical, all the walls are redone, taped, textured, getting painted, new bathrooms, new kitchen. So we'll keep you posted as we kind of work our way through all that here. Okay, so this is Paul Golden Gate Enterprises with another update on one of our construction projects. Keep us in mind, we have a deep expertise in doing this. We do plans, permits, engineering, and we specialize in waterproof decks, and this is going to end up with one of our glass railings. Okay, thank you.